Welcome back to the Prep Lab. This is Math Lesson 404, the laws of sines and cosines. On the ACT, they ask questions about sines and cosines, laws of sines and cosines. So let's take a look at what the laws are, and then in the next video, we'll take a look at some actual ACT problems that use them. What is the law of sines? If I have a triangle with sides A, B, and C and corresponding angles A, B, and C, the angle is opposite of the side. So angle A is in relation to its side. So the sine of angle A divided by the length of its opposite side is in the same ratio as the sine of angle B divided by its opposite side. Same with C. The sine of angle C divided by the length of side C. These are in ratio to each other. You have to have three of the four things, two angles and a side or two sides and an angle, to be able to do this. The law of cosines. Same thing, we have the exact same triangle A, B, and C with angles A, B, and C. And the law of cosines states that any side can be determined even if the angle isn't a right triangle by using c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times ab and the cosine of angle C. So we're finding length C and we're looking at its corresponding opposite angle, and that's angle C. Its cosine is in here. If this was a right triangle, the cosine would be 0 and would get the Pythagorean theorem. Learn how to use these. The ACT doesn't actually ask you to solve them. They only ask you to recognize the setup. We'll see that in the next video. And that's law of sines and cosines, M404.